So actually I was surprised to see my small local giant had lamb rack. Um, so I thought, let's give it a try. It's from Australia. So we're gonna have this, I'm gonna cook this for dinner. It's nice size. I'm actually gonna marinate it, season it with Poon's chili, and then throw it in the oven. I mean, I love lamb, goat, delicious. I'm just gonna salt this with garlic salt. Also put some regular salt. Put some basil, dried basil leaf. I'm gonna just crush a bit of cumin seeds. Then I'll put Poon's chili. About 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons. Put it on the other side as well. More of the cumin seeds. Okay, so what I've got here is some parboiled potato, tomato, onion, and coriander. So I want to just lay this on the tray. Along with the potato, tomato, and just place this lamb wrap on top. Then I will preheat the oven 200 degrees Celsius, and then I'll try 30 minutes. Damn! Okay, this is looking really good. It's been resting for about five minutes now. So I'll just cut a small slice. Perfect, medium rare. Medium rare. Delicious.